Global warming. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of Earth's near-surface air and oceans since the mid-20th century and its projected continuation. According to 2007 Fourth Assessment Report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, global surface temperature increased 0.18 degrees Celsius during the 20th century. Most of the observed temperature increase since the middle of the 20th century has been caused by increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases, which result from human activity such as the burning of fossil fuel and deforestation.
IPCC released and warned that global warming could lead to large-scale food and water shortages and have catastrophic effects on wildlife. Glaciers around the world could melt, causing sea levels to rise, creating water shortages in regions dependent on runoff for fresh water. Strong hurricanes, droughts, heat waves, wildfires, and other natural disasters may become commonplace in many parts of the world. An eruption begins when pressure in a magma chamber forces magma up through the conduit and out the volcano's vent. When the magma chamber has been completely filled, the type of eruption partly depends on the amount of gases and silica in the magma. The amount of silica determines how sticky the magma is, and water provides the explosive potential of steam. The volcanic activity is classified by how often a volcano erupts. A volcano may be active, intermittent, dormant, or extinct. The sudden violence of volcanic eruption causes catastrophe and devastation. Volcanoes provide different hazards during an eruption. Each hazard possesses different risks affecting different areas. Landslides are rocks, earth, or debris flows on slopes due to gravity. They can occur on daily terrain due to light, conditions of soil, moisture, and the angle of slope. Causes of landslides. The causes of landslides are usually related to stability in flow. It is usually possible to identify one or more landslide causes and one landslide trigger. The geological causes are weak materials, sensitive materials, withered materials, sheared materials, and the physical causes: intense rainfall, rapid snow melt, rapid slowdown, earthquake, volcanic eruption. Landslide trigger. Landslide may be caused due to several reasons that may be active individually or in combination. Some of the major causes are excessive rainfall, snow melt, rivers, change in water level. Today is the tsunami. As we all know, the tsunami is the large ocean wave that is caused by the sudden motion in the ocean floor. And this sudden motion could be from an earthquake, from a volcanic eruption, or from the underwater landslide. The impact of this large meteorite could also cause a tsunami. Tsunamis travel across the open ocean at a great speed. Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes generated in a subduction zone, an area wherein oceanic plate is being forced down into the mantle. When the plate tectonic, the friction between the subducting plate and the riding plate is innermost.
even centuries. Energy accumulation in the operating wave will give the frictional forces between the two stack planes. If this happens, the operating wave snaps back into an unrestrained position. This sudden motion is the cause of tsunami because it gives an enormous shock to the overlying motor. At the same time, water rushes landward to flood the recently lowered shore